Hello, I'm Rachel. Today I talk about big things. I watched video from Miss Louie. I learned many things from that video. Today I share it with you. Friends, why do we sneeze? When we got sick, we sneeze. When we cold, we sneeze. And when we smell something like dirt, and we sneeze, achoo, achoo. We sneeze to protect our body. Many bad things flew out from nose and mouth. What should we do when we sneeze? We use arms and tissue to sneeze and to cover sneeze. And to protect other people. Why? Because when we sneeze, many germs flow out and make people get sick. Germs are small and we can't see germs by our eyes. With our eyes, we can't see germs by microscope. We need to protect our body, like we wash our hands before we eat, before we sleep, after we eat, after we go to the bathroom. And we don't touch the cold people. We do exercise every day to help body strong. Bye everyone.